Perfect application here for EcoVolve ED1500 buggies. So they're removing excavated topsoil here and a balcony on a tiered building. It's all interior, in the building. So they're dumping it out here of the buggies into some horizontal conveyors, down some chutes and onto some more conveyors. So as you can see here, a nice controlled pour. You can call it a pour. Perfect application here for these two EcoVolve ED1500's. Pouring this base down a P3 level in a parking garage, down 3 floors. Nice control pour, the concrete chute, no mess, very simple. So that's 1.5 yards of concrete right there, 3/4 of a yard each buggy, so each strip is 1.5, so there you have it. Perfect application here for these two machines.